5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Learning how to save a life. Dozens of people gathered in Mel Lastman Square for a First Aid and CPR workshop. Good evening. The free event catered to people of all ages looking to set a record for the largest life-saving workshop in Canada.
The focus was on helping people learn, practice, and master a variety of skills which could potentially save lives. CTV's John Musselman has been speaking with people participating in the event and joins us live now with more. John.
Well, Raheem, as we know, an emergency can happen anywhere at any time, and that was really the point of today's event here at Mel Lastman Square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They came from all walks of life, men, women, and children, all here to learn what to do in the event of an emergency.
Actually, the promotion is fantastic because my daughter is going into a job that has to do with children and older adults too, so that it's best that she should know that because a child can also suffer with any type of the complications.
It's important just in case if somebody collapses, you know? I mean, I don't want somebody to collapse in my class. I have to know what I'm doing.
Today's event was held at Mel Lastman Square on Yonge Street in North York. It was 6 years ago that 10 people were killed and more than a dozen injured in the horrific van attack on Yonge Street in 2018. Organizers say an emergency situation can happen anytime, anywhere.
And after that, we wanted to create this event to increase awareness, to combat bystander effects. So when something happens, just like that heroic day, people come out, provide CPR, provide life-saving skills so you can save a fellow's life.
After the van attack that happened, we found that many Torontonians come into the street and actually help their fellow citizens. And then we wanted to just emphasize how important these life-saving skills are, and we've had an amazing response so far.
The Canadian Red Cross, Canadian Blood Services, and Toronto Fire also took part in today's session. Residents could sign up for free lessons in basic CPR and first aid, including how to use an naloxone kit if someone experiences an opioid overdose.
To use the nasal spray while you're waiting for the paramedics to come.
Selena Ross says her daughter faced a similar emergency on a city street once.
These are things that you need to have in your everyday life. Like I said, you can walk down the street and you see somebody in trouble, you know what to do with them.
The organization behind today's event is called Coast to Coast First Aid and Aquatics. Residents took part in 3 different safety sessions today. This is not a full CPR training program, but it does give people a basic introduction and awareness of life-saving skills. And there was a very good turnout here today. In fact, the last sessions are just finishing up for the day. More than 100 people we saw took part in today's activities. Reporting live, I'm John Musselman. I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, John.